Hey you guys, you know what time it is. Me and my sister Lindsay Erin did a Pride makeup collaboration. Let's get it.
Go best friend, that's my best friend, that's my best friend, that's my best.
Y'all, we're gonna start off with the burst of color. Have you guys heard of the new e.l.f. oil control? Because that's what I've been using. And baby, let me tell you about that Dream Urban Cover by Maybelline with the SPF 50. You guys will be seeing a full review here on my channel, and I think it's the next video actually after this one. You guys, you have to watch that review because that foundation, when I tell you it is something else, it's something else. And the shade match is on point. So I did go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and the Rimmel Stay Matte just to mix it up because I really truly don't like the Rimmel, but I've been trying to use it up, so I decided to mix it with the Can't Stop Won't Stop. Since Can't Stop is drier than the Rimmel, it, you know, kind of worked out with each other very well. And I'm just going through highlighting my nose, my forehead, under my eye, my chin. And you guys, this next product that I got is from Clean Color, and it's the Conceal and Correct that I got in my Hers and Mine subscription box. You guys, I actually really like that cream contour. Like, it's not too dark, it's not too hard to blend. Like, it was just right for me, so I think I'm gonna be using that from now on. Let me tell y'all about this L'Oreal Infallible, I think it's Golden Beige Savannah here on YouTube always uses this, and I love watching her videos, so I decided to try it out. And it is a pressed powder, all over face pressed powder, but she uses it to set her concealer all the time, and that's the only thing she used. So I was like, you know what, let me try it. It always looks so good on her. And you guys, I let y'all see how I set all of my highlights. Look at how good it freaking sets. Like, I found my new love. I don't think I'll go back to loose setting powders anytime soon. You seen that reaction, girl. So I decided to choose my Makeup Forever pressed powder to blend out everywhere else that I didn't set. And I'm going in with my Makeup Geek, I think it's called Cocoa Bear or Deep Cocoa, something like that. It's a deep contour, and as you can tell, I only use a little bit to contour my face because it is so powerful. Now that Wet n Wild Rose Setting Spray, oh my god, it smells so good, and it sets everything. You guys, I drench myself with that. Now the reason why I sped past those lashes is because those lashes I can't tell you guys about. You have to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you will be updated when I do talk about those lashes, okay? So I did go ahead and pop on some highlighter. I did use the Morphe Sparks highlighter, and now I'm going in with my favorite MAC Lip Liner in Nightmonth, and my throwback jam, the LA, I think it's called LA Girl Matte But Not Flat, little liquid lipsticks, I guess they were called. It's just something that I used to use back in the day, and you guys, I love it. It is just the bomb, and I can't believe I stopped using them. Now this Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio, oh my god, I got that in a BoxyCharm, and y'all, just look at it. It is gorgeous. So now I just started playing around with the new Wet n Wild lip glosses, and this one was called Sagittarius. And you guys, here is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And don't forget to go check out my sister's video. Her link will be down below in the hot box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hashtag DNG Squad so I know the love is real. Bye.